In this video, I'm going to show you how to read and write NTFS hard drive format on Android. By default, Android doesn't support this format as it is owned by Microsoft. So this is a Windows format. And if you have a hard drive you just brought out from your computer and you want to read that on your Android device, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off, I have to install these two apps: Microsoft exFAT NTFS for USB by Paragon Software. Also install this one too, Total Commander. So I'm going to plug in my hard drive to my Android device right now. So the next thing you need to do is to open the Microsoft app. You're going to see it right here. What you have to do is to click on Mount. As you can see right here, I have a 1 terabyte WD hard drive. So click on Mount. When you do that, it's going to tell you to open the file system. You can buy it if you like the app. So click on Continue. Now it has mounted the NTFS file system. What I have to do is to go to Total Commander, open it. Now go to Microsoft NTFS for USB by Paragon Software, open it. You're going to see a folder called NTFS. Click on it. Here, you're going to see all your files in your NTFS hard drive. So these are the apps I have on my These are my PC apps. You can see it right here. This is my game files. This is my PC games. So that's how you read and write NTFS hard drive on your Android device. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.